Have you ever felt like you're just floating through life? Going to work, paying bills, maybe even buying a few things to make yourself feel better, but at the end of the day, you're not really sure where your money went? Hey, I'm Lindsay. I am a YNAB certified coach and a certified money coach, and my goal is to help you learn to love budgeting using YNAB and take control of your money. Because I truly believe that money should be a tool to help you live your greatest life. So let's get back to it. You feel anxious, a little stressed, and you wonder, is this it? Is this what adulting is all about? Let me tell you, it does not have to be. The secret to a more secure and less stressful financial life isn't about having a massive income increase or winning the lottery. It's about something far more achievable and powerful: taking control of your finances. Think about it. When you're not in control of your money, it's in control of you. You're constantly reacting to every unexpected expense. Your car needs a repair? That's a crisis. You get a sudden medical bill? Cue the panic, right? Every time a new bill comes in, it's this gut punch because you know you don't have the funds to cover it. This constant state of financial anxiety is exhausting. It seeps into every part of your life: your sleep, your relationships, your mental health, and it stops you from living the life you actually want to live. Instead of working towards your dreams, you're just working to survive. So what does it mean to be in control? It's not about restriction or saying no to everything that's fun. In fact, it is just the opposite. It's about building a foundation that gives you 3 incredible benefits. First, it gives you peace of mind. When you know where your money is going, what it's doing, you have a plan for it, the financial world becomes less scary. That surprise car repair, all of a sudden it's not a disaster. It's just an expected part of life that your emergency fund or your sinking funds can handle. When you have a clear picture of your finances, you can stop worrying about the what ifs and start enjoying the right nows. This peace of mind is one of the most underrated forms of wealth. Second, financial control can give you freedom and flexibility. A budget is not a cage. It's not a restrictive box that keeps you trapped. It's a roadmap. It shows you how to spend your money on what you actually value. Do you want to take a big trip next year? Do you finally want to quit the job that you hate and start your own business? Being in control of your money is what makes these dreams possible. It allows you to make intentional choices rather than being the victim of circumstance. And third, it gives you the power to plan. You can go from a mindset of just surviving to a mindset of thriving. You can set big, exciting goals and know how you're going to achieve them. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off a student loan, which, by the way, we just paid off a student loan a couple weeks ago. And yes, we still have debt. Or planning for a comfortable retirement. Financial control turns those vague hopes into concrete, achievable plans. So how do you start? The first step is the most important, and it's simpler than you think. You need to know where you stand today. You can't take control of your money until you know exactly where it's going right now. So for the rest of this week, I'm going to challenge you to do one thing. Track every single dollar you spend. That's it. Write it down in a notebook or on a note app in your phone, but just write it down. Don't judge it. Don't try to change anything at this point. Just observe. This simple act of awareness is the first step in the path to financial freedom. Because once you see the truth about your money, you can start making intentional choices that change your life for the better. So financial control isn't just about the numbers. It's about building a better life, less stressful life for you and your family, and possibly even for generations to come. It's about taking the power back and creating the kind of future that you truly want. So, if you're tired of financial anxiety and ready for a change, start with that one simple step. Track your spending this week. Let me know how it goes in the comments, and I promise that will start the beginning of a journey that will change everything. Can't wait to see how it goes for you. Let me know.